all day, like we just laughing. Her family's a fun time.
I had that
Like,
big
her
ends.
mom is super sweet. Like love her mom. She makes us like stuff like this cups. Mr. and Mrs.
Y'all getting official marriage done. Y'all so cute, sipping through straws together, cooking fish and kissing.
But the 7 days.
So how you feeling, man? What's it gonna be, baby?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. You know, it hasn't been like
I already did 7.
smooth sailing the whole time because you've had a little bumps like with like communication and things. So we also had like a little hiccup when we got back from the little couples retreat. There was like a 5.5-hour drive. I was a little like just irritated from the drive. And she said, well, actually, I noticed that you were unorganized.
I wake up Phoebe every time.
So
funny.
Like, at the wedding, do you remember when they were saying, like, she's nice, but she's bossy. She's a great person or whatever, blah, 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 but she's bossy. But I just admitted to her that, that turned me off. And I think that made her upset, to hear that. But, like, I wasn't lying.
Mention family emotion about like, I don't think it was an intention to scare you. I just think that she, like you said, is assertive and knows what she wants.
Mm-hmm.
And I think, don't you want somebody who's direct with you, though? I mean, I'm just thinking, how does that make you feel, bro?
A lot of things did run through my head at the wedding because it's never worked out for me in the past.
I don't know what brought it on either.
I always clash with people like that. And her coming saying that she's bossy was a fear of me from day one, for sure. Like, that it was going to be a problem. And, going into decision day is something that I have been doing.
Boy, just how you lit out when y'all was a bag, you would say? Because when the cameras go away, bro, what's it going to be like then? You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Rocky barking.
They're gonna bumpers. Yeah. I know Eric is, worried about the guy friends and how a wife should act, but my guy friends are like brothers to me, and with that comes that kind of protective nature as well. They genuinely just want me to be happy every single day, so it's really important to me to get to talk through things with them.
Alright, so I haven't seen you since the wedding.
I know.
Fill me in on the big picture stuff.
It's been weird for sure. I mean, just go from so single to married. Is
Anti-single as it can get.
I mean, for me, it is a little bit of like a personal
Whew.
thing.
There's a lot of them tonight.
You get used to each other.
Hoping my voice don't go out.
Yeah.
Has he farted in front of you?
It's already burning.
I've definitely heard him farting. Yeah.
Did he deny it or
We just don't acknowledge it.
Just kind of blamed it on
Every
the
time
camera?
I've heard it.
Has it felt natural? Like everything's kind of flowed normally? Or?
Like most things, everyone keeps telling us like all of our issues are like normal marriage issues. I'm like, I don't know, I've never been married,
Yeah.
let alone, I mean, the few relationships I've been in, which like you saw during college, were not necessarily the healthiest.
I mean, do you have any single reservation about it at all, or are you just full on, whole heart, let's do this?
We're both just like very emotional people, so when we do get arguments, they do
That's
sometimes
all.
get heated because we're so